Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So the first step is open the Snapchat application app. So come to your Snapchat app right here and then click on the chat icon. So you get all of your chats right here. As you can see, what we are going to do in here is to actually just select a random chat in here. So let's say I would like to know if this person is actually online on Snapchat right now. So the best way to actually do this, I'm just going to write something real quick. As you can see, I wrote hi to this person, and then you know that if somebody actually views the chat, you will be able to see their like emoji or like their emoji icon pop up on the chat, right? I think it's either in the top left corner or the top right corner, and then you will be able to know that this person is actually online on Snapchat right now. So the best way and the only way as of right now to know this is to basically like go into their chat and just write something like hi for example, and then if the person just sees it, then you will be able to know, yeah, this person is online on Snapchat right now. You can of course just click on their name as well. You can try that, and you can also like if they are for example like sharing their location, just an example, and you will be able to know if for example there have been somewhere in last few minutes or something like that. But as of right now, this is probably still the best way that you can actually know if somebody is online or not. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.